Hello student, today we discuss problems on Newton-Raphson method. So let us solve the example. We use Newton's-Raphson method to find the real root of equation x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0, correct to 3 decimal places. So let us solve the example. We know that Newton-Raphson is given by xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. This is a formula. So given that f of x equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5, so differentiate this with respect to x, we get f dash of x equal to 3x square minus 2. Here also same as the regular falsy method, we find one negative root and one positive root by putting x equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 or minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 in the given f of x. So let us put the point. So put x equal to 0, f of 0 is minus 5, put x equal to 1, f of 1 is equal to minus 6, put x equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to minus 1, put x equal to 3, f of 3 is equal to 16. Therefore, root lies between 2 and 3. By substituting x equal to 2, we get negative root. By substituting x equal to 3, we get positive root. Therefore, root lies between 2 and 3. Here, we choose only one root such that which is near to 0. By putting x equal to 2, we get minus 1. By putting x equal to 3, 16. So, minus 1 is near to 0 than 16. Therefore, we choose 2 is a root. Therefore, the initial root is denoted as x naught. Let approximate root be x naught is equal to 2. So let us solve by iteration process. First iteration, x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. X naught is 2 minus f of 2, f dash of 2. So 2 minus 1 divided by 3 into 2 square minus 2. On simplification, we get x1 is equal to 2.1. So use 2.1 for the second iteration answer. So second iteration is x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Put the x1 value, that is 2.1. x2 is equal to 2.1 minus f of 2.1 divided by f dash of 2.1. So on simplification, we get x2 is equal to 2.0946. So put x2 is equal to 2.0946 in the third iteration. x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. So put x equal to 2.0946 in the third iteration, that is 2.0946 minus f of 2.0946 divided by f dash of 2.0946. We get x3 is equal to 2.0946. So compare the x2 and x3 answer, both are same 3 decimal place up to, that is 2.0946, 2.0946. Therefore the required root is 2.0946 or 2.095. So it is a Newton's-Raphson method to find the solution. So let us solve another example. Use Newton-Raphson method to find a real root of x sin x plus cos x equal to 0 near x equal to pi. Carry out the iteration up to 4 decimal place of accuracy. So here in the equation, it is trigonometry equation is there, f of x equal to x sin x plus cos x. Here we do not necessary to calculate on negative root on positive root, because they have given the root nearly lies between at x equal to pi. So let us we treat x naught is equal to pi. So given that f of x equal to x sin x plus cos x, f dash of x equal to, after differentiation of f of x, we get x cos x plus sin x minus sin x, or f dash of x equal to x cos x. Then x naught is given, that is pi. So solve by iteration process. First iteration is formula is x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Put x naught value pi minus f of pi divided by f dash of pi. So in the calci, to solve, use in the calci radian mode and solve the answer. So we get x1 is equal to 2.8233. So it is the first iteration answer. So for the second iteration we use the first iteration answer. So second iteration is given by x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. So put x1 is equal to 2.8233 in the formula. x2 is equal to 2.8233 minus f of 2.8233 divided by f dash of 2.8233. After simplification by using calculus, we get x2 is equal to 2.7986. This is the second iteration answer. Use the second iteration for the third iteration as a x. So third iteration is given by x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. So put x2 is equal to 2.7986. So x3 is equal to 2.7986 minus f of 2.7986 divided by f dash of 2.7986. After simplification by using calculus, we get x3 is equal to 2.7984. Let us do one more iteration, that is fourth iteration. For the fourth iteration, we treat x equal to 2.7984. x4 is equal to x3 minus f of x3 divided by f dash of x3. So put x3 is equal to 2.7984. 2.7984 minus f of 2.7984 divided by f dash of 2.7984. So put all the value in f of x and f dash of x and simplify by using calci. We get x4 is equal to 2.7984. So two consecutive answer is same, that is x3 is equal to and x4 is equal to 2. X3 is equal to x4, that is 2.7984. Therefore the required real root is 2.7984. So this is a Newton-Raphson method.